But I see it.
Lambo
Two screens are very important, eh?
Yeah, too important.
Very important.
Yeah. I am saying but I don't go
Siyabova.
Okay, I will say something more in fact. Don't go no.
Say something, I'm giving up on you.
Something. Somebody say scream. Scream. Scamamela was streaming.
We have an unfair advantage.
Hokopa URL. Okay, sure. You can hear me clearly, no?
I can hear you.
Okay, fantastic. Hokopa URL.
At least the cabinet high vandaag.
Yeah.
Find out my 500, yeah.
We live. We live. We are live. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, welcome. I want to welcome all of you. I'm not alone today. There are people here that decided to crash. So I'm definitely not alone, as you can see. I'm with the famous one just below me, and below him, I'm with Tim Shalale.
Yeah. He's blushing now.
What can I say? I'm a chopper today.
Sauce is always blushing. Sauce, what's funny is that Sauce is always blushing on camera. That's what's funny. Only on camera. Yes, what's up?
I haven't even greeted already.
Okay, sorry then. Sorry. Okay, start there.
Alright, choppers. What's up? What's happening, gents? How are you guys doing?
It's not only gents. We are not only gents here. What are you talking about?
I was just greeting you as a cabinet first.
Okay.
But ladies and gentlemen, hello. Let's hope we make it kidding today.
Is that the plan?
You know how it goes, bro. You know how it goes. Khasi, what's your take?
Sorry, I just got cut off there. You were saying what, my brother?
So, Tamari is just asking, is it the plan to kill today or what?
To kill what exactly? We are on the live stream, gentlemen.
To kill the markets, how? Hey, we're killing the markets, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, no, it's a good day to do so. It's a good day to do so. Are you gonna go? Guys, nobody has to leave. He's gonna come back. What are you thinking?
Yeah.
Are you gonna go?
I'm coming back with a funded account. Gotta have some skin in the game today. Yes.
Okay, so it seems like Nobile wants to trade it. He wants to trade the news release. I don't know how you guys feel about that, choppers. But yeah, we will support him and we will cry with him. What's your take there, Sos?
Well, look, I always say it's we must always remember that a news release doesn't necessarily mean, or rather, doesn't necessarily move the market forever, you know. So
Sure.
you don't really need. There's two options. You can trade the news if you want. One of the things about it, I always say, is that you must just make sure that you can avoid FOMO and you can detach from the outcome. That's if you're gonna trade the release itself.
Yeah.
But if you're gonna also do it, like maybe use the release to either kick you into a trade, a long-term bias that you're waiting for, then that's a different story. So it's completely up to the traders at the end of the day. But I personally don't really care much about the release itself. I don't even look at the release, the numbers and all of that, because it's purely technical from my end.
Sure. Sure.
You know, so yeah, the release itself doesn't really do much. Doesn't really do much. But I always say people need to avoid. One of the things that kills a lot of people here is FOMO, man. Especially
Yeah.
when that spike is big. Oh,
And then NFP is just overhyped, man. Like you don't really have serious movements happening there. I mean, on euro dollar, the least you can get there maybe around 50 pips or so, which is nothing, because you can basically get such kind of movements. Session open any other day, session open, session closed during the session. So I just feel like NFP is just, for me, how I see it, especially in the country,
sure.
it's just a way of how we, and you know how I always include myself in this whole thing because I'm part of the industry. For me to say, guys, let's fund account and open a position, it comes across as maybe we want rebates, man. Like we just want to get something out of it, you know? Because at the end of the day, like you just said, it's all about structure. What type of a trader are you? Are you getting into the news release to get a boost, maybe if you're looking at a long-term approach, or it's just a matter of you just want to go in and out? You're not going to also reassess exposure and whatnot. You're just gonna go with a blind eye and you want to gamble it, or you have a clear plan. You're going to have your pending orders and whatnot. But at the end of the day, I don't see why, like, it must be like a culture that NFP you need to execute a position, you know. That's mainly how I see it. But yeah, we're gonna start with the analysis. Ladies and gentlemen, I've got Jabu Souls here, a good friend of mine. I also have Nobile Tembani here, another good friend of mine. This is my cabinet, as you know. My what do they call it? I forgot. I'll remember.
Just give us positions without paying us. So
You know, Chief, you need to understand something, comrade. These things how they work. These things how they work is that you it's for the organization, you know. So the organization, so the other comrades, for the struggle. Don't worry about money.
all right, now we'll see.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Yeah. Let's mark the register, ladies and gentlemen. First man, listen. First man was the first man on the ball. Just even when we started, guys, first man was already there. First man wrote his first message just before the stream was even announced. First man was on the stream before we entered the air. That's how quick he is. First man on the ball is in the house. He's saying, "Good afternoon, Mr. President," and all the choppers in the house. We've got Rish, second place for me, saying, "Good afternoon, welcome." Neptune is also in the house. Yeah, man. I think, guys, let's do what works for all of us. You know. Let's do what works for all of us. So can you share your screen and start with the approach, my good sir? Let's see, what do you have there for us?
Okay, just a second. I'll share my screen in a moment.
Guys, this is actually our first time doing this as a group, right? Apologies if there are technical glitches, some lagging here and there. We are trying out something. We're just trying out something.
Okay.
Are you good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
Let me see. All right. So first things first, obviously, for the sake of today, is that I'm going to be looking at two instruments. Mainly, I'm looking at pound dollar and the NASDAQ. So some very interesting stuff that I'm looking at here, specifically on the NASDAQ. So I'll quickly start here with the NASDAQ. Just tell me, Khas, is it clear on your side? Everything's good?
Yeah, we're good. We're good. Carry on.
Cool. No, fantastic. All right. So one of the things that I'm looking at is this NASDAQ here. I'm looking at it from a short term. I anticipate a possible correction to the downside just a little bit, but I'll quickly show you why and what it is that I'm actually anticipating and waiting for. Specifically, so I was waiting for confirmation a little bit earlier. I saw some interesting setup, and we're almost approaching my confirmation area. So I was looking at the market rejecting this area here and waiting for confirmations. I would have loved to see a clear break of this here, but earlier on I was looking at the internal structure here, and the break of this started giving me signs that we could see a possible downside pressure to the downside. So it's really all about just being patient now. So what I'm anticipating for this particular session is I'm going to observe this level here. So I'm going to be looking for short entries. Ideally, I'd always go under 50% of my zone there. So I'm looking to see if we get a touch into the 50% level here, which is around 22,706 or 707. So I'm looking to see if we can get a touch into that area and then push to the downside with this particular setup. So this is what I've got at the moment. So yeah, like I said, I'm looking for two. So looking obviously from the short term, targeting these low ends. That will be the first one. My ultimate one will be there. And then yeah, and wait to see how this one plays out. But like I said, I'm just gonna wait for the news release. It will either spike there or maybe just 10 minutes before I'll proceed and place my pending onto the 50%. My SLs always goes above the high, so I'm looking at this as a confirmation entry that I'm anticipating, obviously because of this particular move that took place here.
What's the price you have there? Where you are anticipating a reversal there?
Okay, it's 22,707.
Okay, I see.
22,707. Now that is more of a conservative approach, because ideally, the moment it taps into, normally with my trading style, the moment it taps into the box here, so for instance of this 15-minute candle, it just didn't tap into my order block. So if it tapped into there, sometimes after the close, then I'll enter. But if I'm a little bit more conservative on days like this where there's volatility, I always wait for the 50% of my zone. But there's pros and cons for it, right?
Sure.
The pros obviously is that you can get really tight minimal drawdown, but the cons about it is sometimes the market just leaves without you in the trade, and that could also get you feeling some type of way, especially if you don't have your emotions intact, you know?
Sure.
Yeah, so that's my take, specifically on the NASDAQ, and I don't know what's your take on your end.
Quite interesting, and I'll tell you why. Simply because I was also looking at for you it's 22,707. I mark that as a psychological level. My approach will be, if we are having a lot of orders going to the upside, anticipating a high above 22,720 or so, my take was I want to see if I have a bit of acceleration around 22,700, treating it as a psychological level, and I can simply also look for sell short positions there. But what's also going to give me the ultimate setup, I need to observe how the VWAP will be behaving around that level. So yeah, I'm looking at the same level as you. But yeah, like I said, let me see what VWAP will be telling me at the moment. Looking at my POC setup, my POC is in line with my VWAP, right? Currently trading at 22,660 or so, which then again, it's a matter of time. If I reach 22,700, which is a psychological level, I will basically want to see what VWAP is doing. Then yeah, I can take positions from there. Currency pairs, any currency pairs you're looking at?
Yeah, pound dollar. Pound dollar's one that's on my watch list. I think metallic. What's up, metallic? Metallic says he couldn't recognize me.
Yeah, you. That means you. I don't know. Is he used to you wearing suits or something?
No, I don't wear suits, man. Suits are for you. I'm the red beret. Okay, cool. So pound dollar, I was looking at it in two ways, right?
Sure.
Very conservative, because one of the things that I'm looking at specifically with the pound dollar is I do think we are bullish overall, right? And I am waiting for just the lower levels down here before I can continue with the bull trend. Obviously, one of the things that we want to look at is disc premium and discount. So for me to look for any long positions that could take, now there's two things. I'm a bit double-minded, but I'll show you something here when it comes to correlation, especially with the New Zealand dollar.
Sure.
So something very similar from the patterns perspective, not necessarily something that will make me take a trading decision, but just observing patterns. So I'll quickly show you now. So I'm looking at this in this particular manner, right? This area here, I'm looking to see if the market can come back into this particular level, and then we get the drop, which maybe at a later stage we might be able to get the buy that I'm anticipating. And my approach to this is two ways, right? I am considering the fact that we had a sweep around this zone here, right? So I am cognizant of the fact that we had a stop hunt around this level. Just let me move this thing. So we had a stop hunt around this particular zone here. So I've got two things around this. It's either this is my first and primary objective with this particular pair. I'm looking for a correction to this level, and then we push. So why am I trading this in this manner? I am anticipating that we are trading within the correction phase of the bullish run, right? So I'm looking for a little bit of correction up until I get to the discount zones before I can start looking for some buy opportunities to the upside. So that's what I'm waiting for. And one of the things that I'm also keeping in mind that it could break this level, and then I'll look for this area as a retest. Maybe we can start getting our buy opportunities in this particular manner. But it's all dependent on how it breaks this level. But my first and primary option for this particular trade is the sells around here.
You have do you have a retracement there?
Yeah, I've got the OT level.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's the price there? Still at $1.17. Or what's the price there on? Is that British pound?
Pound, yeah.
$1.34.
It's $1.37.
Okay.
So you asking the price, the current price, or?
Yeah, current price $1.36.
36, yeah.
Okay. All right.
So I'm looking at 3733.
Okay. I think this is where I have a slight different approach to how you are seeing it.
Sure.
I'm gonna show you now, guys. Can we please like the stream? There, Fungile saying we have 80 people plus 87 people watching this. Only 22 have liked the stream, guys. I believe we can do better. The more we like the stream, the higher chances that this can be recommended to many people. That's how our community can grow, you know. So please, by a show of an appreciation, can you guys just like this stream quickly? The news release about to come. Mobile is not yet back. He drove out, by the way. He's going to get something quickly, but hopefully by 2:30. Because Mobile says he wants to fund 500 rands for NFP. And before we started, I was like, guys, What's the signal? Give me a signal there. I'm going there. And he says, when I lose, I'm gonna say to everybody who's watching that it's MJ or so's signal. So I
Right,
can't.
the signal.
Yeah, I gave a signal, right? It's a sell. So I can't wait for him to come and execute that trade that he wants to execute. So yeah, this is my approach on British pound. I'm sure you can see my screen, right?
Just a second. Yeah.
I think so. People, a lot of choppers are going to appreciate your screen, man. We've had a debate on this stream when people say, I need to have a light screen, like light colors, white. They don't see this dark. But
Why do you have it dark anyway?
man, I think I've always done it like this.
Okay.
I've always done it like this. What is he doing? He's back.
He's looking.
Okay. So this is where my approach is quite different, right?
Sure.
Simply because I'm closely watching $1.36, right? And my take on this is that we've been consolidating around this level for quite some time. Finally broke through it, retested it.
Sure.
Right. My anticipation is retail traders will want to make a new low, possibly hit back to $1.35. And I think that's where I'm going to be different, as I've mentioned. My take is, I think during NFP, we might experience a weak NFP. Right. I think we might experience weak numbers. And this is where we can see this go to the upside. Initially, then maybe that's when I can go with your approach of going to the downside. But I think there's a lot of money lining up here at that $1.36. Hence, that's how I'm going to take it.
Sure. Yeah, and like I said, the bearish setups that I have mainly is ones that I need to be very conservative with, because if you look at the PAVE, just from a structural point, it's been turned into the upside. So we've got a very strong bullish movement there. So one needs to be very careful, especially if you're going to be selling. Like I said, if you're going to be looking for sales, you've got to be very careful. But I do think, like at the end of the day, yet again, it's all about being reactive more than predictive,
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna wait and see how it goes. But if I get, like I said, if I get my rejections and a little bit of confirmation in that particular area, I will consider taking a scalp, just on a correction move. And I haven't seen anything for my method. I haven't seen anything with the confirmations for the bulls as yet. Who's this guy that looks like Mobile? It is Mobile.
Yes.
You back, bro?
Yeah, I'm back. Very much.
Cool.
back.
Did you find your account, bro?
How are you putting me on the spot now?
Everyone is waiting for you. Everyone is waiting for you now. Everyone is waiting for
Yeah,
you.
if this one goes well, then I'm gonna have a nice date night tonight. Eh?
I got it. Dog.
Date night on a Thursday.
Yeah, it worked. Mobile.
Yeah? No, but I'm being honest. Genuinely, is that not the purpose of live events? I think you cannot make a livelihood from a live event. I think it's just a matter of you trade for something on that day.
Yeah.
That's how I see it. You find the small money, you make. So I don't think it's something where you should be. That's where I'm at right now.
Okay, so here's the thing, right? We've got a few minutes towards the release. So we've got what's your take? What are you gonna do? Are you bullish? What pair are you trading first?
Can you give me 2 seconds? This thing is bothering me. So I just got back, guys. I had to go and do something quickly. So I'm just recalibrating now. So just give me 2 seconds.
Sure. So MJ, if you have a look at that setup, the NASDAQ one that I was talking about earlier, if you look at, like I said earlier on, is that there's two things about this this particular one, is that having a conservative approach is that sometimes you can miss, if you go for a conservative approach like I've done, is you can miss the move at times, you know. So I am anticipating bearish NASDAQ. I'm expecting NASDAQ to go to the downside. I'm expecting pound dollar also to be bearish as well for the release.
Okay, let's run a poll. Who's buying? Who is selling? I don't know why I didn't start with this.
Savage says take me.
Savage.
Savage is for a date,
me, that Savage name is, I don't hear people with the name Savage.
No, this one is really savage. Like he's
oh yeah, on the chart.
No, on the stream, like he's a problem. Like Savage is like that one person in class that will always say things and interrupt, and Savage is Savage, man. The stream is boring without him either way.
Savage Gimjita.
That's what's nice about this community, man. Sometimes you would think that I don't know. So how can you ask me that question, bro? Like, how
it's a valid question. It's a valid question.
I don't know, but you asked him.
He says, "Take me with you." Hey, so you're saying he's so we want to find out, right? Like Savage.
Inicto is saying, MJ, when are we seeing you at trade of the week show with Business Day TV? Very soon, next week.
Very important, bro. That's
next week. Let me say next week, my friend. Guys, tomorrow we are on CNBC 12 o'clock with Fifi Peters. Let's do some analysis again.
For those who, so I'm just funding an account for the sake of the live stream, guys. I'm here, I'm a guest today, but just for vibes and all that. So that's what this account is for. I've got a young $50 here.
Okay, let's make it interesting then. Let's ask them.
Let's go. Let's make this the people's thing. So to determine to determine whether I have a good night or not, I think we should give this on to the people, though. I think people should decide.
Okay. We have few minutes to go. I'm trying to say. I told you about Savage. He's a problem, man.
There's a few minutes to go, so
okay. Let me run a poll.
MJ,
wait, I need to run a poll now.
I don't even know how to trade NFP, guys.
Yeah, but it's not you trading it. It's the choppers trading it. You are executing. The choppers are trading it.
NASDAQ, particularly around this area, 22,707.
22,707.
I'm waiting.
Why can't I run a poll?
There, and then it taps me in.
I can't run a poll.
So you're saying NASDAQ?
Yeah, I'm bearish NASDAQ.
Wait, don't listen to Souls. Okay. Listen, Souls is not a chopper.
We are going.
Wait,
this
no.
is
what are people saying?
Yeah.
What are people saying?
Wait, choppers. Wait, what are you gonna be? What are you gonna?
It's a young live account. Where's my?
No, you can't. You can't share your screen. You can't share your screen. You said you were not gonna share your screen. They didn't put it back office. Ngobi.
Where's MJ? I think MJ is gone, eh?
But you're on mute.
Am I on mute?
No, MJ is on mute.
Oh. Anyway, we got 2 minutes to go. Selling gold. We don't want explanations, no what. But I don't trade NFP though. So like then, like Savage said, you might your boys' night. So we'll see. So it's saying sell NFP.
Guys, can you hear me?
No,
guys, can you hear me? Can you hear me?
NASDAQ. And NAS.
Sell NAS, sell gold.
Guys, can you hear me?
All right, for gold.
Nah. Yeah. Is
you hear
MJ
me?
gone?
It seems like he's still here, but his audio is gone.
Can you hear me, guys? Can you hear me? Hello? Can you hear me?
2 minutes to blow. Let's see. Guys, honestly, I think I'm just doing this for lives. So
Can you guys hear me?
Okay, so these.
Can you guys hear me?
Okay, it's just us that can't hear MJ. That's
really,
interesting. Yeah. But it seems like everybody in the stream, all the choppers can hear, so it's an insider's thing.
oh, they can hear MJ.
Yeah, they can hear him.
Can they hear us?
He sabotaged. That's a good question.
Can you guys hear us?
Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah.
Hi, Pirate.
Guys, the choppers can hear me. You cannot hear me. What's going on? What's going on? You guys can hear me. You guys can't hear me. The choppers can hear me.
This is actual really.
Yeah?
Yep.
Choppers
There's
can
a
hear.
spike.
Choppers can hear me.
So big spike. Let's see how it reacts.
All right. And I am out. From my $50, I made money a petrol, guys. Is that how you trade news? I sold gold. Now MJ or not?
Guys,
Where's
you
MJ?
the choppers can hear. So choppers, the guys cannot hear me, but it seems
guys,
like
okay, now I'm gonna put this on screen now because people can't see my that dress. Guys, anyway, I sold gold. It went down with my $50. I made, because MJ he's jealous now. I made money today.
The thing is that we can't hear him, so.
Okay, guys. Anyway, I funded $50. I will try and put screenshots and share screenshots on screen for those who want to see what's Manga or what.
You always have to prove yourself, man.
I had a set on gold. I want to put this on screen. Where's MJ? So this one is money at Bitcoin. I made $15, guys, from my what do you call this thing? Can they hear us?
yeah.
Can you guys hear us?
Man, what's going on? You guys, we cannot hear you.
Souls and I can hear ourselves. Hi guys, can you guys hear us? No, can they hear us? Or we can't hear you. It's fine. Can you hear us? You see where the problems. We can't hear you guys. No, they can't hear us. Yes, we can hear you. Some can't hear us, some can hear us. Anyway, guys, Mobile did not blow his account. MJ's mic is low in the volume. Yes. Quartz gold set. Oh, and it's still falling, but nah, guys.
Okay. Can you hear me, Ngobi?
I cannot. Okay, they can hear all three. Yeah. Anyway, guys, I'm trying to put this on screen.
Why are you hanging up?
Aski, now, but only the real choppers can hear.
All right, choppers, let me know if you can hear.
Yeah,
Kelly saying you can't hear me, guys. The stream was going perfectly well. What happened? The music is not playing. Nothing seems to be working. Guys, don't come on my stream ever again. You're messing up my stream now. We never experienced this.
excuse. Just because today I made money,
No, don't come. Don't.
I made a young
Did you
$16.
close that trade?
Yeah, no, I closed it. Oh no! So I remember back in 2020, I think it was before COVID, my early days of trading. I was trading NZD USD interest rates. What interest rate was it? The one that happens in the AMs.
Sure.
So I remember that was my first. That was my first time. That was my first time trading news. So I remember I saw it. You can just hold and then you find, and I'm like, and you see guys when they go in, they go out. So I don't even know. Yeah, guys, I made money for petrol, eh?
Hey, no, we've been saying that.
Yeah, hey, it's a serious one. That one, yeah, full tank.
Wow.
Okay, I wanna full tank at $16. You can't
How
tell
That was
how
a
that.
funny
how
symbol.
how much
Where that full tank.
how much is $16, guys? Because we won't hear the end of it. Like
Yeah,
we're gonna be
yeah.
hearing about this the whole year.
Yes. You will. But imagine if I stayed in, I could have doubled the account, guys.
Could have, should have.
Yeah, but still, guys, like I said, siya withdraw manje. Actually, MJ, is there a way for you to put this on screen? Let me send you a screenshot
Yeah,
because
I'll try.
I can't hear him, Jim.
So I just called you now, but you can't hear me even on the phone. Ntanhla, my friend, I wish I could. You know, I wish I could. I can't even tell you anything right now. I've got issues here. I'm streaming, and the people I'm streaming with cannot hear me. Marvelous, I can't set the trade. Which trade? Everyone is out. Novi is out.
yeah, I'm out. I've been out, guys. Like I came in and out. From a percentage point of view, yeah. Khona ngiyombheja namhlanje. Maybe this can buy me flowers, yes. Go buy flowers actually, yes.
Wow. Rita,
Don't have any flowers.
And I'll tell you something, what you guys don't know, ne? Let me educate you guys, since I think people don't like buying flowers. So roses in winter, guys, are more expensive than they are in summer. If you guys
And
didn't
what does
know.
that mean for the dollar?
What? Are you asking?
Yeah, roses being more expensive.
Guys, I don't, whatever's happening on the markets right now, I'm not getting involved. Me right now, I'm a buy. Since you guys know I'm not on Instagram like that, MJ will post the bouquet of flowers I'm gonna buy for someone's daughter today.
This is what I go through, guys. On daily
I thought
basis.
that strengthens the dollar, so
So Rita says your mic lost its soul.
the mic.
I still don't believe. I still don't understand why. I'm at the control room and I'm trying to figure out why you can't hear me, but everyone else can hear.
Yes, we are brainstorming. Yeah, we're buying flowers today. If you guys follow MJ Gibbons Khasi, he'll post, because you guys don't know, no, I'm not on social media like that. So we'll post there. MJ will post on my behalf the flowers, and they're very nice, guys. That lady's nice. Yo, she's got good prices for winter. I won't lie. Do you guys know that a 20 flower bouquet is 700 rand? What nonsense is that? Sorry, I
So
get
what's a good price?
That's a good price. Usually where I get them for like 350. So imagine almost double the price. But now because it's winter, they did a markup of like $100, so I get them for 450 now.
What? Why is it more expensive in winter? Shouldn't they be more expensive in summer?
I have no idea. Is that florist guy? He was educating me. I wasn't listening because I was stressed because I budgeted 450 that day. And he's telling me flowers are 700. I'm like, hi, chief. No. I'm so I actually don't know.
Very interesting.
But now we must buy who a packet of KFC. If everyone can be in and the value, the $16 I made is enough for the 9-piece bucket there.
You guys can hear me now? I'm trying to fix this. I'm fighting.
You see, there we go.
You hear me?
Somebody basically just answered they're more expensive in winter because they're harder to maintain in winter.
Yeah, that's choppers for you, baby.
Chief, I hear you must wait, ne? But the operation is for today. You understand? So yeah. You had Metallic saying I must wait for discount. To the markets, guys. Me, I'm busy.
Still can't hear me. Yeah, I don't know. I really don't know. But as long as the choppers can hear me. Let me see. Everything seems to be fine. Sure, that's NAS 100.
That's nice.
I can't even put up my chart.
Yeah?
I can't even put up my chart.
What's happening? The control is controlling you.
Yeah, man. I'm having technical issues here. It's you guys.
Hey, Ngobs, isn't it funny how URL, copy URL.
I want to call him and find out what's happening.
What's happening? Yeah. All right, so I'm still waiting for thing. I didn't trigger. I didn't get triggered on anything. Nasdaq went above, just spiked above the level that I was anticipating, but I'm still waiting to see. Especially now. Let me just quickly go back to it. Let me just go back to it. I want to see how this 15-minute candle ends.
Can you hear me now?
No, still not. Right, so I just want to see how this 15-minute candle ends. We could, if it closes below that level, the sell could still be valid. Could still have a valid sell. Because indices, I know normally you normally have the spikes and then the real move happens. So I'm still waiting to see how the 15-minute plays out. But also with the, I was anticipating the sell on the GBP USD, but it happened prior before it reached that level. So I'm still gonna wait for these levels. For me, these levels are still valid. So yeah, I'm gonna wait and see how it goes. The only time this level I really wouldn't pay much attention is if we break these lows here. So if we break these lows, this for me, I'm just not completely going to ignore, but I'm not going to be considered uh, that much up until we get to the order block down here. So I'm still anticipating some corrective moves on the pound dollar before we carry on with the overall bullish.
No, I'm out.
Hey guys, I don't know they are referring to who. They're saying invaders, please leave the stream and come back.
Now we can hear you.
You can hear
Yeah,
me.
yeah, I
Now,
can hear you now.
You can hear me
Yeah,
without the phone.
yeah,
yeah.
without the phone, now we
Okay.
can hear you clearly.
What
Okay.
did you do?
I don't know. Maybe you needed. I don't know. I don't know
There
what
was an
happened. What
invader.
happened?
He left. Whoever it was, they left.
They left.
Yeah. Yeah. Now you guys can hear me. I can hear you. Well, we're good. We're good.
Okay, cool.
Wow.
And then can you get your screen up?
Let me try that now. But you can carry on in the meantime. I'll try to fix that.
Okay, cool. Fantastic. Like I said, for me, I'm still waiting. It's a waiting game. And what I spoke about a little bit earlier is about being able to avoid FOMO, right? Being able to avoid FOMO as Nobile got his full tank money. One needed to be one needed to be very patient and wait because with gold, I just didn't do the analysis prior to the release, but uh, the structure has always been
Your screen. So your
okay.
screen.
Can you see it now?
Yeah, we can see it, but it's better now.
That's fine. Okay, cool. So yeah, with gold, waiting for a push back to these lower levels, and then maybe if we get some rejections around here, one can start looking for buys. But this one here, I just had to be very disciplined and patient about fear of missing out. So no close too early. Instead of buying two bouquets, he's only gonna buy one, or he's going to negotiate for one because he said prices are expensive. So if had he held this setup, he would have been able
Crazy
to buy
man.
two.
Crazy man. All the way from 3,050, 3,350 an ounce to 3,300. Crazy, crazy move on gold there. He could have gotten a full tank indeed. Definitely.
And two pairs.
It's fine, guys. Ngenza imali ekusalayo, yazi.
He's a close if you're happy.
And I was ready. Mm. The invaders leave, and all of a sudden the stream starts working.
Hey, but
Who are the invaders? Me, the other day, I told you guys, me, I'm a distant cousin of the family, of the Choppers family. I know I'm not family like that, but I'm a distant cousin, guys.
Love the friend of the cousin. You know that friend of the cousin that likes to think his family. Like I was thinking Malume starts calling all the uncles by name. That one. But yeah, great, crazy move on
Gold, man. Is it gold?
gold. Yeah, crazy move on gold. Let me see pound dollar. How it's playing. I do think 330 will also give us another crazy move. So let's wait and see. So we expect low volumes tomorrow. So
I'm actually not trading tomorrow, right?
I'm actually gonna just set pending orders and stay away. Pending orders and stay away.
Do people actually know why NFP is today? Because I found out yesterday when I was talking to with MJ.
Yeah, it's Independence Day in the States.
Independence Day is a big thing, 4th of July.
Yeah, it's it's like what is our biggest holiday here in South Africa?
What is our biggest holiday?
South Africa?
Every holiday, Mama. Especially if it's on a Friday or Monday, we call it.
Actually, any holiday that's a holiday. I think outside of Christmas, I think it
Yeah.
might be Youth Day or December 16.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I think the biggest day for us as South Africans is December 16th.
Yeah, I know, because even there, it's during festive season. Everyone's
Yeah.
in the yo. Hey,
No, I agree. Savage Uchi, does this make Nobile a gold digger? Sure.
I guess today I am Zotin.
So Mobile must be thingy. This is what Mobile should be the guest on the next episode of Market Masters.
Yes.
How he made how he made $16.
Guys, it was tough. It was tough. I
Yeah,
had
no,
to
It was tough.
drive out and then come back.
Come back and the host didn't have the sound. It was a mess. But I against all odds, I made it.
Yeah, but very interesting, man. Very interesting. Did you execute anything on your side, President?
No, nothing, man. I never trade news
Like,
release. I never
guys,
trade.
this is why I don't trade news events. All of this was stressful. Those few seconds I was saying, alright, guys, it's not healthy, guys. For
And
those who don't,
and for
week in, week out.
and
No.
for you did this for entertainment purpose, right? And you must not forget, for some people that is their last money, right? So you are stressed and you're doing it for entertainment purpose, and someone is doing what you are doing to get his next meal. You understand? So it's stressful, man. It's really stressful.
Yeah.
But I always don't encourage it.
I also don't.
Yeah, no, I don't encourage it because I think all traders have been there.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, absolutely, absolutely. Look, one of the things about if you want sustainability, I really think you should not approach news release as one of those events that will either make you the money that you need or not. No. But for sustainability, I don't think it's healthy. One needs to have a trading plan. Like I like what you said, President. You said you don't execute specifically just on news release, and sticking by that all times. It's very important because I'd seen some people they get into rooms where they normally don't trade on news release, but if they just find themselves with a bunch of traders on a day like this, all of a sudden they forget their rules and execute.
Yeah, that is
So,
so true. Guys, there's a poll there. Let me see if I should bring back this guy's next time. Let's see.
And I'll gladly come back to come make some money for.
For petrol and flowers.
how many flower? Bro?
I'm sorry if I was a bit distracting from the what do you call it, from the markets, but sometimes, guys, we must laugh, eh? We must laugh.
That's very important.
This industry is tough, guys. So many people are going through so much, and I think as for some people, it was the first time we were laughing today in a long time. You know,
What are you trying to say? Choppers laugh here. We've got Savage here.
again, they said there's invaders today.
Us laugh, yeah. Don't think you're the one with the jokes yet, chopper. Yeah, the chopper. Hey, there was a time. There was a time I logged into the family. I saw the president Muna going off at another guy. I don't think that guy was a chopper. He was an invader. I don't. Okay, hey Baba, don't tell me to relax when I hear.
No, man. It's the thing is, people don't understand. Like, oh, my chat is back, guys. Things ziyavela, like, have you seen when the numbers drop, the streamer gets better.
What do you mean?
Invaders. I'm joking, guys. You know I appreciate you guys. This is my family, man. This is my family. Look, man, coming back to Souls, what he's saying. Look, That just shows. One thing is that people don't understand. You are streaming, right?
Yeah,
Your emotions are all over the place,
sure.
and people don't understand that. As much as we laugh, as much as for us, this is work. So when you are losing money, there's for me, I don't want to make it a habit of laughing all the time I lose money, right?
Absolutely.
And I think it's just me, my personal view of things, because I want to show the seriousness of this. Because imagine if you are a supermarket owner and you get in your shop, all the shelves are on the shelves are on the floor, and you start laughing about it.
Yeah, it doesn't work that way.
You understand what I mean? So for me, I like keeping composure, be serious about the stream. The thing is, on the stream, sometimes you get people, when you analyze and you are right, they are quiet. When you analyze and you are wrong, they say, you should have. So that's the problem.
Yeah, no, absolutely. But that also goes to show the pressure of having a platform such as this. It's that guys would always people never want to take accountability.
Yeah.
So when everything goes right, they will sit and watch,
Yeah.
and you find that on that particular day, they decided to say, "Ah, you know what, he's been right. The other times, let me participate," and then that day becomes a losing trade, and then he forgets about all the other wins that you've had.
It's always the case. So
So
it's always the case. It's always the case. But I think generally, I think I've been blessed with one of the best, if not the best, trading community, man, in this in the continent. I think I'm having the best family in this industry.
And
Why?
just to speak on that,
Yeah.
oh,
Yeah.
just to touch on that, is because, like, guys, trust me, MJ talks about you guys all the time. Like, when we're together, he'll be like, no, choppers today, we did 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Trust me, MJ has nothing but love for you guys,
Yeah.
honestly.
Yeah.
So,
Because of, I think these guys accepted me for who I am. They accept me with my wins. They accept me with my mistakes. They accept me with my issues. And that's what they know. I've got issues at times. I snap at them. Don't tell me what to do, man. I'm losing money. Like, keep quiet, because it gets to me at times. But they are understanding. And what I also like about this community is that we don't have to. This is not an autocratic movement. We don't have to agree on everything all the time. We beg to differ on certain issues, and that always opens the door for one to learn, But yeah, man, for me, this is a beautiful family. Choppers, wire, choppers all the way. On that note, choppers, let's like the stream. Let's get 100 likes, choppers. We have 103 people watching, 71 only have liked the stream. We don't have our music, by the way. The music is not playing. I don't know why, but it's fine. As long as they can hear me. Let me not mess up anything, because the next thing, my cabinet here will not hear me. Yeah, guys, trading competition. Let's talk about trading competition, guys. By the way, those of you that are watching, I'm sure last time you have seen we had a Top Trader SA and Okta collaboration where there was a trading competition. I feel like that is what the industry needs. Brokers should invest in the trading communities as far as trading is concerned, not just lifestyle and other nonsensical things we see, right? Though that kind of initiative makes us to grow as a trading community, and I think it also opens doors for others. I mean, we had this trading competition for a week, isn't it? 7 days, 5 days.
Yeah, 5 days, 7 days.
Yeah, there's a lot, man. There's a lot we have learned, and I think people are also learning from how it is important to sometimes mind your own business, right? Because you are trading with someone, guys are making certain moves, you don't know what they are doing, and the more you want to do it as they do, the more you make mistakes. But the more you understand that you have to do what works for you and leave away the noise, right? That's where you see consistency, and we've seen that you get participant number something. He's number 1 today. Tomorrow, he's number 3. The next day, he's number. You understand? He's not being consistent because he's now adhering to the noise that, hey, I always want to be number 1, right? And I always say the best competition you can ever find is you and your account. That's the competition you're dealing with. But I think we need something like that, guys. Let us know there on the comment section. Should we have it? Imagine if we are having it every month, guys.
Yeah, and also one of the things about it, apart from, yes, it is a trading competition, but one thing that I like about it is that it instills all the right habits of showing up. Because sometimes when there's no competition, I've seen with some of the people that I chat to, they'll tell me that, hey, in these past 2 days, I haven't looked at a chart. And I'm like, how do you? It's like you run a business, but you haven't looked at your numbers for 2 days. So the competition is really important for that. One is always on the chart. One is always looking to see how they can better themselves and get obviously better entries with aims of becoming better and becoming profitable. So it works a lot more better for the trader. So it's very interesting to see what the choppers think. I'd also be very interested to hear what they think. Will they be participating in the competition? That's also very important to know.
Yeah, that is very important to know.
Yeah, Tembani, what do you think of the trading competition? It's your idea, but how was the experience for you?
It was amazing, guys. I think as we move through life, we discover new passions along the way, and I think that's the beauty about life. Life is not particularly a straight line. There's things that happen along the way that just fires you up on certain matters, and I think this training competition for me was something that I didn't realize I needed it a lot, even from the perspective of hosting, because you realize how much impact it has on the community at large. So I think for me, that's where when you talk trading competition, I think it's very important and very different, guys. Yes, we know there's a lot of demo competitions where people are promising money and whatnot. But I think with this one it was completely different because it's just like we're here to compete. When you find out um, how much investment goes into team sports, I think that's where we tend to lose it. When you think about a team sport, a lot of investment goes in towards the team so that they can perform well and win. The topic is on my case, guys, but it's fine. Anyways, so that they can perform and win, and when they win, they
You see, you get distracted faster, but
So I said this to him when we're doing the trading competition. When you are
yeah.
speaking, can you not look at the comments? He does this all the time. He does this all the time.
yeah, yeah, no, but anyway, yeah. As I was saying, yes, as I was saying. So yeah, definitely bringing the training competition back is something that we are fighting for. You guys have no idea the kind of battles we're fighting behind the scenes, because we don't just want it to just be a monthly thing, guys, or we don't just want it to be a once in a blue moon thing. We want it to be a monthly thing. And for you guys, and you guys, money, you must win money as well. People want money last, and it was so good for them. And I think that's what we want. That's what the industry needs. This is what the industry needs. I'd like to believe so. Yeah.
You know one thing that I hope I hope he wouldn't mind me speaking about this. So the person that won number 2, so courtesy of Okta, they've asked me to do the coaching for him, right? And just to sit down with that gentleman the first session and just to hear his story, man. And I realized that this competition is basically the breakthrough that he needed.
Hmm.
He needed this. He really needed this. And we are continuing, man, with the sessions. I did not even keep it there. I was like, man, let's try to carry on with this thing, because he has so much potential, man. I remember he has over 600 screenshots
Sure.
of trades, man. 600 screenshots of trade, and we're just going through it. And I realized that, look, I couldn't have known this gentleman if it wasn't for the competition. He took a leap of faith, made a deposit, did the competition, and look, he found himself where he found himself, so there are a lot of people here, a lot of people that are watching this, have stories to tell. They're going through a lot, and we just need to find ways to open doors for them. Sometimes doors cannot be opened monetary wise, but they can be opened by always initiating concepts,
Ideas.
and ideas that can open doors for them. So I think it is important for us to keep it up. Neptune is saying 94 men are watching and 5 likes. So what happens is sometimes I can see the original likes on my side. We have 82, so it's not 5. Sometimes you will see 5 on your side and Neptune, but yeah.
US 30. He's also talking about the US 30. I don't think I looked at US 30. I was at NES 100.
Okay, I have here. Yeah, Novi now is like, yeah, you see why I came out. Oof.
Yeah.
I would actually want to buy British pound USD. I would want to buy it.
Yeah, overall is bullish.
Yeah, I would actually want to buy it, given the fact that we had a drop here at $1.36. My take was another swipe before we go to the downside. I think retail traders are anticipating $1.35 as a new low. But from where we are now, I wouldn't be surprised again if we see something like this and we go back to that $1.36. That's my take on British pound USD. NASDAQ. Okay, so we have... What is that? Is it me?
It's on my side.
Hey,
What do you got?
Sounds like a gunshot.
I got shot. I've got a chopper here that's... What do you want, Debo?
Is it really?
You know, she breaks protocol, that one. That one is NASDAQ.
Really is a serious chopper.
So yeah, I've been. Oh no, guys, finish. Me, I'm gonna distract you guys from the charts. Yeah, finish.
What do you want to say, buddy?
Eh?
What do you want to say?
I need to bring my controllers for a rematch, a proper one, souls, ne?
Yeah. Yours.
Yes.
The operative word being your stuff.
Since we are all here, we are all here.
Yeah.
Tepiso is saying we are about to witness a live kidnapping.
A live kidnapping.
No, Fungile, Nobile can't even tell you where he bought. He bought on the reversal of the day or...
Oh, they're asking if I bought on the reversal. I mean...
Yeah, you see, yeah, spot on. Rita is being on your case since, eh?
Rita wants me to leave, and like I must just leave because I need to go somewhere now.
Rita, you wanna go where, Chief? You wanna buy flowers?
I've got that other mission, Chief.
Nobile, guys, is those friends in class. When they get their results, they see that they did well. They distract others.
But it's an NFP trading, so the trading is done. Jokes. Now the real traders are coming into trade now.
Professionals are now starting to trade. All right, guys. 91% are saying you must come back. 9% say no.
To the 9%.
Guys, can we stream FIFA?
Please. And with Mobile's thing. Or Mobile's PS.
So it doesn't make a difference, buddy. This
It
thing
makes
of
a
yours,
huge difference.
no, it doesn't make a difference. This thing of yours telling people that when we are playing at Novi's place, you beat me. When we were playing at my place, dog, we went to
So,
your.
Mobile, let's do this.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
We played in my house. I beat you. We played in Novi's house. I beat you. We played in your house. Last time we played in your house, I beat you 8 games to none. 8.
Even now, I just made money from the NFP, so I can even sponsor the night. You see?
Yeah.
Hey guys, wait, this $16, Mr. $16. Yo, we won't hear the end of it. So stop this thing, bro. Like, stop this thing. I beat you in all places.
Here's the thing. I think it's we agree, and the choppers also agreed with you the last time. We'll have Mobile's PS, and then we'll stream it sharp. And then tomorrow, since we are not trading, let's go play pool.
So choppers, I'm looking at NASDAQ at 21,200. I there. No, there, it's okay. No, snooker, guys, I know. Snooker, I don't, yeah, no. Hey, by the way, so for your own information,
Sure.
Can I tell them?
Sharp.
I beat them in Cape Town. Yo, snooker. Every day they wake up. I beat them. They went to the jacuzzi for cleansing. Come back. Beat them again. Go to the ocean for cleansing. Beat them again. I know I beat them.
Okay, you talk about the 3 times I beat you at least.
No, you never beat me. You beat me once though.
Yeah, it's like that.
It's a politician in him. Okay, maybe I beat you twice.
No, we drew. Oh, we didn't. Okay, there was no. There's
Oh,
no
that's
draw.
The politician in him is coming out now.
Bobby, I beat you all games. You beat me once.
Once? No, it was more than once. Come on, it was more than once.
Bobby, now I remember once. What matters is what I remember. Yeah, no, Fungila, I beat him at his house. I beat everywhere. Home, away. I beat him everywhere.
Yeah, what's fun is that, okay, how many times did you lose against me at Carpool?
So as I was saying, guys, so NASDAQ now is trading.
How many times do you remember winning?
Pool, I won once.
Out of 10.
So it's out of 9.
You played 10 games.
We played 9 games.
So go play 8-1. Go play 9-1 again.
Okay, sharp. It was 9-1. Fine. Maranaga. Okay, FIFA.
But
okay, how many games? How many games? Count all the places. Count 8 from my house, 8 from your house, 3 from Nobile's house.
Because I'm not a loser, better forget all the losses. But what I'm saying is, let's stream.
Okay, it's fine, guys. We're gonna stream me and Souls playing snooker, and we're gonna stream me and Souls playing FIFA. That's it.
Nobile's PS, yeah.
Here we go again. Oh my word, it's fine. It's fine.
I mean, have you seen MJ's controller?
Yo. So, you're gonna get us kicked off the stream.
Yo, Vetu, Jimmy PSD, I'm at the level again, Vetu. Yeah, I think by 7 p.m. I should also look for another trade.
7 p.m. Okay.
Session
close. You normally trade.
Yeah, just that session close. I've seen of recent, especially in the second quarter.
Yeah.
There's been some decent volatility around like 6:30 to 7.
Okay.
Do you guys know when they say money will change me? What? Yeah. Dilo di chinchi, it's a vandaag. I'm gonna start selling my winning strategy now. NFP.
$16 strategy.
$60.
Guys, if you're trying to make money with me next month, we're trading NFP. Guys, again, we're coming back for round 2 again. We've had so far 100% hit rates. Actually, to be honest, this year alone, I've traded NFP twice, and both times I made Zaga. First time I got a signal from Kenzo Kennedy. He gave me a signal. I remember that day we're chilling there, but we're chilling there by yeah, some other spot there. And then I just heard a signal like, boy, what are you doing today? He's like, nah, I'm doing this. I was like, oh, okay, now let me enter. Let me enter. So far, guys, I've got 100% hit rate on NFP. So if you guys are looking for mentorship, if you guys are looking to make money with me, use the link in the description. No, I genuinely don't know how guys do this. Like, I genuinely don't know, eh?
Well, practice. I thought you were serious.
Yes, a $16 fee as well. Yes, thank you. Exactly, $16 fee. So, guys, if
Your,
you're trying
your
to,
mentorship is $16.
yeah, because I made $16
16
now.
feet. Dr. Kumalo.
16 area.
16 B, man.
Super patch, ish. Not, not my kind of, not my kind of thing. Not my kind of thing. Yeah. So guys, if you guys actually want to make money with me next month, yes, thank you. There will be signs. The signs are there. Yeah, but yeah, no, guys, guys.
I'm remembering Souls. So I was with Nobi last week, ne? And we were just working on a project. Then this project was gonna give us money, or let me say, it was gonna give me money. And here I was bragging about the science, man. So this comment reminds me there, because I was telling them, my boys, from next month you see the signs. They will all be there.
Yeah.
They will all be there.
I want to decide for that.
The signs will be there.
Guys, but at the end of the day, it's all jokes. But obviously, you guys do identify with those people who go in, and this is actually how these things happen. One winning trade and one screenshot, you're done. Imagine I can make the sweet 16 costs there.
It's sad, man. It's sad because this thing is so tough that they're layering on people's desperation, man.
Yeah.
So on people's desperation. But also these, I know none of the choppers here, so we talk about some people now. I'm about to be. Also, these people deserve it, man.
Yo.
Yeah.
They deserve it. In fact, you can't, like, it's been so many years, bro. So many years. The same predators. But you deserve it.
Yeah, and
But
the
they're
thing,
not here, so that's the nice thing. Not all
yeah, no, they're not.
choppers don't think it's
No,
those.
choppers are very disciplined. Choppers are very disciplined.
And some of them have a history. They come from far. Eh?
What do you guys think of? I normally have this chat. I normally
Yeah.
and some people feel like maybe I'm being somehow, right? Where you would have individuals that generally would ask you questions, either WhatsApp, DM, and ask you genuine questions with regards to trading or business in general. And you say, look, I've created a platform, right? If you don't have money to pay for certain services that contributes to your development as a business person, I've created a platform that you can always utilize. There is a live stream which is free for everybody. I mean, just requires you to show up. And for those that want to get into details and get more information, get this community on daily basis, send your setups. We discuss things. If you send me a text, I'll be able to WhatsApp you. guys, initiatives like this. So it's sad when you find somebody trading with another broker and forcing you to give them services with your resources, right? I don't know how you guys feel about it. But you find somebody's forcing you, no, but you need to help me. And you're like, okay, fine, I can help you and it's free, right? All you just have to do, sign up with the broker that is making sure that we continue doing this work. And I think by now we have showed the country that we are not about lifestyle. All the work we've been doing over the years, it's been educational content, growth. By the end of the day, people must understand that it's costly to do this type of things we are doing. Very costly. And we need partners. And for partners to always partner with us, they need business back. It's a give and take situation, right? But the thing is, the industry has so much entitlement that no, why should I trade with Okta if I want his services? I'm doing that because I also want to protect this what we have here. Because tomorrow when you say, Okta, let's continue with our relationship, Okta will say, but yeah, MJ, it was us giving, but we never got anything back from the people we are giving. You understand what I mean? I don't know what you guys think about that.
Yeah, look, at the end of the day, I think one of the things that I've seen, man, is that we, as people, Vela, we have this challenge of showing up. Like, for instance, I also get from time to time, I'd have people saying, hey, bro, can you help me with trading, right?
Yeah.
And there's an entitlement that this person or expects you to drop whatever it is that you are doing and focus on them, and that I've seen that becomes the biggest downfall of people when you send them to, like the other guy we met a few weeks, was it last weekend or something, we were together.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and he's like to me, he wants me to mentor him and stuff. And I said, bro, Monday, Wednesdays, and Friday, go join go join the choppers, bro. There's execution every single day. There's execution taking place more times than not. So I tell you now, bro, the guy did not even tune in. So this thing tells you sometimes we do want things, but we don't do what is required for us to go and attain those things, like showing up. Even with training, I know somebody that I've charged them money to teach, and they've never showed up. They showed up the first lesson, and then they found it difficult to understand the concept, and gave them homework, and they never showed up again. So yeah, those type of things is that we've got a generation where we want to attain things without working for them, and the slightest taste of defeat or failure, we give up.
Sure.
So those type of things is stuff that we need to work around. And especially one thing I love about trading, man, is that especially when you're starting out, yeah, you're gonna fail, man. You're gonna fail, but that shows you that's the process. That's the process. So you just have to keep going.
Yeah. What's your take on that? Hey guys don't understand that maybe like a problem, huh?
Not everybody's thinking of the $16.
No, the guys don't understand maybe like a problem everywhere we go, man.
It's like a $16 here. I'm thinking about how to spend it.
Yeah, he can't concentrate. He can't concentrate.
Oh, you can't.
No, guys, but on the reals, I genuinely do have a lot on my mind, specifically today. Yeah, so I think that's just what's happening.
Yeah. I think, oh man, is that British pound? We're going up, eh? There we go. There we go. Ooh, flip. Okay. Clean. So, I think discount for me was gonna come at least here at $1.3606, right? I knew this level couldn't hold whatsoever. We are in the green now. British pound up by 0.9%, NAS up by 0.32%. But euro dollar is on the red. It's on the red. It's on the red. Let's have a look at the heat map. What's happening with the heat map now? Euro is quite, I would say it's neutral during, given this trading session. US dollar continues to boss around the session. AUD neutral. We've got British pound also neutral there today. NZD is, I would say, weak. Canadian dollar continues to be strong. Swiss franc weak. Japanese yen weak. Chinese yuan also continues to be weak. But I want to see the heat map. Now, this is a heat map for the week, right? So we see that throughout the entire week, already the US dollar against the euro is down by 0.85%. And it gives me an indication that it's only that today we had NFP going on. But yeah, US dollar weak for the week, AUD also weak, British pound weak, New Zealand dollar neutral. This is a weekly heat map, right? So I think I'm going to continue not trying to fool around much with the strength of the dollar. Hence, when we started shows, I was telling you that I was anticipating weak numbers to come in for us to see a weak dollar. I'm still continuing with that throughout the week. Obviously, tomorrow is a bank holiday for the US, but I think throughout the trading session, I'm going to be still looking at weakness that is coming from the dollar. So I'm still bullish on British pound USD.
Yeah.
And absolutely, overall trend looks very strong, bullish. But it's a piece of bitter, Mr. Matemi. And his choppers of it.
I understand you, MJ. Why you always come back happy, eh?
Man, this stream for me is therapy, man. Like
I understand.
this stream for me is therapy, man. Like I've
Also,
seen.
Fungile says something very important. Says this community was the greatest thing that I found this year to help me with my trading journey and keep me declined. So that's a very good one. Well done, Mr. President.
Yeah, man, we try. It's just a matter of showing up, man. Like for me, the best days of the week is Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Just because I'm gonna meet up with these guys, and I try by all means. The only thing I wanna do, man, there's a savage thing I wanna do live on TV. I wanna give a special shout out to the choppers, man.
Ooh.
That's
Okay.
one thing. That's one thing I wanna. That's one thing I actually said something just to give them a signal last time when I was on CNBC Africa that my community and we are looking at, but I almost said the choppers.
Chopper.
Yeah, so that's one thing I want to do. That will be the biggest achievement of the year, just to mention the choppers on live television.
Wait, so let's stay within budgets. I can't have a card today. Ish. It's all about petrol money today. Yes, petrol money to get to the date. Yeah, well, flowers, I guess. Ish. I missed out on the flower budget, but it's fine, guys.
Missed out on the flower budget. Siga the flower product.
Yeah, I'm gonna be serious, dog. Like he's always buying flowers. He's always buying flowers. Oh,
Yeah, no, we need to have that meeting very soon. I got the flower boy.
oh yeah, the meeting that we spoke about off camera, né?
Yeah, no, we need to have
yeah.
it very soon.
There's and one thing I don't like about him is that when he comes to my house, he comes with flowers for my wife and junk food for my kids. And when he leaves, like, you know what, how it makes me look.
First of all, Papa, can you have sweets? No.
Yeah.
Flowers.
Yeah, he will come with biscuits, chocolates, sweets. On the other hand, he's having flowers for my wife. Like, dog, stop doing that.
We are waiting for him. No, he must carry on. We're waiting for him to settle down.
I'm waiting for his. I'm gonna spoil his kids like crazy, and I'm going to annoy him. When I
settle down. said a ticket to the spa.
Yeah, that's a good one. That's
Ali
that's
one.
a good plug. That's for you for hair alone.
Yeah.
Mm, yeah.
For hair alone.
Because
That's
Samuel has been asking about JPY.
Hey man,
I
like
haven't.
one thing about the chopper, sorry to cut you off there. So
Yeah.
you have serious guys here, like they just want to, those guys in class when you guys are off topic and you're talking about other things, they say, "Ma'am, can we do at least something?" That's Samuel for you. Another one is Temba. Temba is another one.
Yeah.
Who else? Fungile at times likes doing that. Bry is not here. Bry is not here. He always wants to talk about work. Yeah, but the one that is always out of order is Savage. Savage never likes work. Savage never likes work.
Savava.
yo.
Uh,
I guess. Yo. I mean, my problems, I'll sort them out tomorrow morning. Yeah.
Your problems.
Yeah, I told you the entire thing.
Oh, Bunje. Yo, at least you got a notification, but yo, I was worried about you.
What? What? Oh.
okay, man, I changed that notification.
MJ's gatekeeping. MJ's
Yeah.
gatekeeping money. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yo. It's such a presidential thing for him to do.
What?
So
What did
anyway,
he do now?
guys, I don't know how you guys feel. Nah, if you've ever been in a room filled with, if you have like an Android phone and you probably won't find that, but if you have an iPhone, and you're in a room, majority of the people in the room have iPhones, and someone's phone is not on silent and it goes off. Now you all of a sudden every 2 seconds you hear a ringtone. You're checking your phone there. So now Mr. President wants me to change my banking app tone because it sounds the same as his.
No, but you need to do so, man.
I always tell you to change that. That's what kills me. I always tell
And it's not the first time I tell you.
you. I always tell you.
Mm.
Yeah. Samuel, you must be. I have a different view, man. I don't see any possible sells. Another thing, I'm also want to go a little bit off topic because I'm looking at the chart here on the GBP JPY. So it must be. I've got a different view. I'm still seeing this pound going up. So I don't foresee any selling thing in there, selling opportunities. But yet again, if you do, man, just trade in line with your risk management, and yeah, let's see how it goes. But I see this as a very big, especially on the daily. I see we are on the daily. We look like we have completed the corrective move, going on to the run. So yeah, I don't foresee a short, but depends also if you're gonna look at it from a short term perspective. But I always like to trade in line with the bigger trend. Ish.
What are you there? Are you bullish there?
I missed it yesterday. I saw this last night,
Was it?
but I
Is that a
missed it.
4 hour?
4 hour.
British has been weak weak lately, but now I see it's gaining some ground today. Because
It's getting some
yesterday was pop. It was weak. I think it was the weakest out of all majors yesterday. British pound.
yesterday.
Yeah, it was weak. Look at that against the Canadian, still down. Yeah, it
So
was.
push to the upside. Canadian could be the next one that will do the push to the upside. So it's a little bit lagging. So correlations yet again. So the Canadian could be the next one for the push to the upside. So this is what I was waiting for. So all my GBP pairs, if you look at it, I had it similar to the CAD. I just didn't execute, except the pound. The odd came into that level, did not go to the extreme. The NZD tapped into there and then went to the upside. So yeah, on the GBP JPY, like I said, I would be very mindful of trying to go short there.
Yeah.
But if it does, it could be also just a corrective of this move, and then we get confirmation to the upside still. So yeah, looks interesting. If Mr. President mentions us now, the CNBC will be looking out for famous choppers. Absolutely.
I'll try tomorrow, guys. I'll try tomorrow. 12 o'clock. Is it channel 403? What channel is CNBC?
412. Is it not 412? What's 412? No, 412 is something else. 43 is
ENCA.
Yeah.
Couldn't even Fagaza on this chat.
Nah.
People who are still paying for DSTV in 2025.
No, remembering something and paying for it is two different things. It's for something.
410, channel 410.
Look at Soul's deflecting there. He's like, "Tish, not me, chief."
When Shabaga OBS, but hey, copy the URL, man.
Souls, we've passed that, man. We've passed that. We've passed that stage.
I shouldn't come back to this live. Yeah. I want people's input on my life now. Hey.
No, you're coming back. Gold. Bullish. I'm going to remain bullish on gold. Guys, have you seen TikTok lives?
Any one specific?
No, like, hey man, TikTok, guys, road to 10,000, eh? Guys, road to 10,000. Please subscribe.
Subscribe.
God bless you, sir. Yo, guys, having to deal with these cases from people being scammed is sad, eh?
Amen. It's unfortunate, bro. That one is sad.
No, we are talking about something serious. What are you laughing at? What are you laughing at?
No, I'm just... Rita's killing me today, yo.
What is Rita saying? Look at Nobile bringing DSTV while we are in a season. Guys, Lona, you don't know Nobile. You don't know him. I struggle with this every day. This is my life, guys. We are in meetings. In meetings he's professional, but immediately after that, we are talking about something serious now, bro. We're talking about the scamming.
It's the case. This guy.
Hey, have people seen it? Have people seen it? No, we gotta run that back. I can't we're gonna run it back for the streams. Where's those links you sent me?
God bless you, sir.
Have you guys seen MJ apparently is there's some fake choppers out there?
I don't call them choppers. What do you mean choppers?
I said there's some fake choppers out there.
No,
Fake.
they're not even fake choppers. They can't even hold the title to be a fake chopper.
Mm,
They can't. Like they can't. Yeah.
It's very
mm.
interesting, man. Has people seen it? Has
Uh,
any of the choppers seen it?
They've seen
It's
it.
him with the $60 cost.
you've seen it. You guys watching it? You didn't play it for them.
I wanna play it now. I don't know if it's showing. Can you see it?
No, no move. We need to see serious things now. Susana Machats.
Yeah.
Do you see it now?
My $16 course.
No, we still chat, bro.
Even
Yeah,
now.
still chat.
Give it some time. For clipper.
Okay, guys, let's convert $16.
Yeah, it is.
You can see it now, right?
Yeah.
Good morning. My name is Diegete. I'm trading with Mr. MJ, given Kahisi. The process of trading
You press and play.
is smooth and interesting. May God bless him. Thank you.
Can you guys see it?
There's no volume.
No volume. Here's that lady. This is my favorite chopper. This one.
Man, so siagala that man. Hey. You can't hear. There's no volume.
There's
No,
no.
there's no volume.
Check out that one on your player. I think it's thing.
Is it muted there?
Nah, guys. You know I played this yesterday and it was playing well.
Oh, you played it for the shoppers?
Yeah, I was playing for the choppers.
I need the cousin someone.
Wow.
Yo. That's...
I don't know why you can't hear it.
No, it's, guys, so as we do calculations, converter, you know when you make dollars, guys, you become very confused. You become very confused when you make dollars and you need to do calculations. $16 converts to rands. Oh, okay. It's fine.
Oh, gosh.
Kakashi.
Wow, Emmanuel. Wow.
Kakashi.
Wow, Emmanuel. Wow, buddy. Out of all, you are joining them.
Yeah, you thought it was just me.
Souls has been calling me Kakas ever since I regret showing him that, eh?
I was going to see it, whether you like it or not.
Every time I call him, hey, Kakisi.
Hey.
But you can only imagine that there are people out there who are going to see this Kakasi and see Mr. Kakasi there. And they are going to be like, yo, I need to.
She sounds good. Yeah, you're right, Fungile. She does sound good. They said they want
Yeah.
so, 500 years.
Yeah.
And she's not the only one. I think there were like 6 videos. There's another timer there. That one even shocked me more. A timer. Like a timer.
Sad,
Oh, a timer.
Yeah, it's heavy. It's heavy.
You know where it becomes a problem? When man, that British is moving, man. Can you guys see that?
Yeah, bro.
The problem is we don't have discount there. That's my only problem with
That's
it.
my exactly. No.
Yo, it's gone. You know the only problem with that is that you can be minding your own business with your family, just walking around the mall, and people who don't know that it's a scam, they will initially attack you.
That's the sad part, bro.
Yeah, because some people don't ask. You know, there's those type of people in life, they don't want to ask questions. Oh, okay, you think you are clever, right? And they go for you.
Oh, that's the truth, bro. That's the truth.
Hey man, this is not even AI, man. You can see that this it's like they
Sad.
found these people somewhere and held a gun to their face. Come, record a video.
Oh,
Sad, man.
this Bravo's a chopper, MJ. There's a Vusi.
No.
It's not a chopper. Okay. Yeah, no, this man chops.
Uh,
In fact, he should have given us a gold signal. He trades gold. I know him. He's very good with gold. Hola, hola, Bravosi. Yeah, no, he kills that and
you
gold.
know, I know all choppers by name.
Yeah, because I heard even when we think you'll mention them, Temba, Kimamba, and Temba, as if like you know them, like you've seen them or something.
I know all of them.
Yeah.
I know all of them by name. I always take Nobile with you. You bring jokes when they attack you.
More like a laugh after. Hey, Mara, man, it's sad, man. It's actually scary, man.
No, Vicky. No, we can hear you. No, we can hear you.
Sorry, I turned off my mic.
Okay, laugh again so we can hear.
I am done. One day I'm gonna host a one-man comedy show, guys. One day.
One day. Will it be enough?
Eh? I mean, I'm not that funny, but like I feel like it's something I want to do that's on my bucket list. Host a one-man stand-up comedy things. Eh?
Konje, you're from the East Rand. Learn how to talk Carnival.
Big Top Arena. Just for
That
vibes.
carnival is called Big Top Arena.
Yeah, that section. Yeah, that's it's called. I think it's still called the Big Top Arena. Hmm. Thank you.
Hey guys, I manyana got $16. Yo.
$16 ticket.
Oh, aye.
I guess not. I'm fine. So you guys are killing me at this point.
And that and you have forgotten about it. We're actually happy that you have forgotten. Now they're bringing it up.
Nah.
But make 16 jokes.
That's funny. Hey, but you can't have it. I see you already have opening act from mechanic number 2. The first opening act it's a piece.
But it's a 16 minutes show. Aye, guys, stop it. Stop it.
Dr. Kuman. As it's a Dr. Kuman, a 16V.
Yeah.
Oh, pity we don't have
No,
it.
man.
Pity we are not shooting anytime soon for industry shirts, eh?
Why?
No, I'm sure this was gonna be the topic. The
Oh,
introduction.
16. No, I will still talk about it, even if it's weeks later.
I just hope you forget.
I'm gonna wear this like a badge of honor. I told you, I'm preparing my course now. 100% strike rate on NFP for the year. Yes, I only traded twice, but that's not the point. You know? I'm prepared now. I'm gonna start selling course. You see, We are brainstorming. Yeah, the brainstorm is it's nice. It's very nice.
Cost you here for how long? 16 minutes. 16 hours. Hey, let me. This one will get me in trouble. No. No.
Yeah, no.
Let's focus on trading today.
I hate that somehow I know where you were going with that.
Bruh,
But
you know exactly where I was going. Again, I'm not going.
thank you. Let's not do that.
Satan, it's not me. Definitely not me. You. What is it? It's very important. So, 60%. I got chat. But opening acts here.
16
XAM USD.
I yo oh no, the 16 lifetime. No, that's the one, guys. Let's wrap it up, guys. 16 lifetime for me. That's it, guys.
Guys, these are the people you want me to bring back.
No, guys, we're done. 16 lifetime. No, that's the one, guys. Yo. Oh my goodness. Yo, guys. Yo.
Advertising is NFP strategy on TikTok for 16 seconds. Yeah.
Yo. Yeah, no, we're
Guys,
done.
if you just join us, please like the stream for the last time. At least when we reach 116 minutes, we should be on at least 116 likes.
Oh, it's you now.
Oh, I didn't say anything.
100 and what? 16 likes. I'm done, guys.
Yeah.
I'm finished. Yo.
Guys, if you want to join our private choppers group, please use the link down below. Sure. Hi, guys. Emmanuel is saying 16 p.m. Nah, guys, stop it.
Minutes away, man.
Are we 16 minutes away?
We're 9 minutes away from that.
Guys, please, if you want to join the Choppers Funded, you can use the link down below there. Sign up, send us a text, and we're going to add you on the group. We are only having 16 spots left.
No, guys. Yes, Kakasi. Mr. Kakasi.
Yeah, we can end the stream now.
Yeah, it's like this. I like that.
And man, it's always like this. So it's
When it comes to it, I am 2 million sharp dog. I'll call you later.
you know MJ is like is that kid Kokasi who owned the soccer ball.
Yeah.
And he's not going in his favor, he's taking the soccer ball.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, my mom is calling me.
You can't quarrel me at my house. What is that? What do you want?
When are you doing a 24-hour stream?
Oh, let's do it, guys. Let's do it. I think we should.
24 hours.
I think this month of July, let's do something that has never been done before in the industry.
There's a lot of those being done, eh? Never been done before in the industry.
Yeah, let's do something professional that has never been done before.
Yeah.
Like what?
I don't know anything.
No, let's just focus on making money, gents.
No, it's part of it. Like if we are streaming and we're streaming 24 hours or 16 hours, trading 16 pairs.
That's a thing, though, eh? I need to coin this now, yo. I need to coin this now. I don't know what's happening. Yo, guys, you guys see the time, man. I won't be able to get my flowers today.
Challenge accepted. We're gonna choose a day. Nobile Tembani will be here. Jabu Souls will be here. Another female trader will be here streaming 24 hours.
Ooh.
Interesting.
Yeah. Hey guys, by the way, the female trader is joining me on Monday.
Oh, it's already happening.
Yeah, it's already
This
happening.
Monday.
This Monday.
You're waking, Chief. Eh?
Our push and I get to shapa surprise August.
No, August is Women's Month. Oh, gonna she's a woman. Okay, but I wanted to.
Hey. She's not a woman, she's a female.
Yeah, she's joining us. She's joining us Monday, and on the 8th. And when are you shooting? We're shooting with the July, ne?
Yeah, no, we are shooting.
Yeah, she's gonna be shooting Market Masters.
Oh yeah, that's gonna be like already. That's a 2.5 hour interview right there.
Yeah, that's what.
Yeah, no, you know Market Masters, guys. You need a chem chair. You need an energy drink. You need, mus. Minimum.
Ramos tofu. So you can.
Industry chats all the way, guys. You know how it is, choppers. Industry chats all the way. Wire. Industry chats wire.
Yeah. Yeah.
Industry chats all the way. All right, family. It's what time is it now?
1600.
Okay. Exactly at 1600, we are closing the stream. Mr. 16,
No, guys,
thank you for gracing us with your presence. Mr. Timing, Edge.
Timing is it's about time I go push. Give away, who's this one? It's a piso. It's a piso dude. Yo, that was good, bro. Yeah.
Yeah, thank
Exactly,
you for having me.
1600 is actually the right time to cut this.
16 MOE 16. Yeah, 16 MOE 16.
No, gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me on the stream. You know I appreciate you guys. Why, Amos? I couldn't have thought. Look, there's no one I could have ever thought of if I'm going to look at my cycle. People that I trust, people that I know they want the best for me, and they know that I always want the best for them. So, yeah, guys, I think that we must do this more often. It must not be a one-time thing. In fact, I'm thinking every NFP.
Next NFP. Yes.
Next NFP.
No,
Next NFP.
no, I'm joking. I'm not doing that again. Yeah.
I know you will.
I want to lose this. Losing streak.
Yeah, I know when you're going to retire before loss.
Yeah, very quick while he's still ahead, you know.
Yeah. No, but thank you guys. Yeah, man. My ear is ringing 16.
16.
No, guys, thank you guys so much for having us. Thank you guys so much for like welcoming us. You know, it's always tricky going on someone's stream. Hey, you never know if the people like you or not. But guys, you guys have such warm energy here. We appreciate you guys so much, and we will see you. Since you guys voted to the 10% that said we mustn't come back, those are the invaders. But it's fine.
Wow. And you guys, you already know, like I always say, you guys, if you have subscribed on this channel, you have no business not subscribing to TTSA. Please also go check them out. You know their channel, the biggest there is, right? So go subscribe, and yeah, enjoy the conversations that are there, week in, week out. Today's what, Thursday? Oh, the last upload was this past Tuesday. Also go check it out. Check out the best episode. You know the best episodes are coming on Tuesday, right? Everyone will agree with me. But yeah. Souls, what do you think? Let me put Souls on the spot. What's your favorite show on TTSA?
Favorite?
Got a favorite?
I like both of them. I like Market Masters. Just depends on what come up.
Souls never wants to head Ngobi, guys. All the time.
No, depend on what come up on Market Masters.
Okay.
Yeah, I can agree with that actually.
But it's true.
Depends on Kimang and also the but I must say, bro, hey, the production at TTSA of it, I just those shots, man. Also those short social media clips that come out, bro, they play a big role in making sure that we tune in, because those small clips make you want to go tune in, you know.
Yeah.
So if those clips a little bit and they teaser about what. So
the promos.
Yeah, the promos, 16-second promo.
Yeah.
So those promos, they play a big role, bro, because
Hey. My net worth is $16.
Wait, man. We are closing.
Yeah, those things play a big role. But obviously, to industry chat and fit will always have a lot of information and education around it.
Yeah, but either way, man, we appreciate it, man. Every Tuesday, every Wednesday, there's something going on, and that's what we're all about, man. Trying to give out the best we can, and it's just one big family, man. Yeah, but yeah, we appreciate you guys, Mr. Souls, my friend. Thank you so much for coming through. You must also thank Mesos and kiss my kids for me, please. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Boys, I wouldn't kiss
the boys. No, from Paul will say, dude, what are you doing? Yeah.
No, thank you so much, man, and thank you to the choppers.
Yeah.
Thank you to the choppers. I don't see
on my side.
Huh?
On my side.
PJ.
Wow. I kiss PJ. Wow. And I actually gave him a call during the stream, eh?
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I gave him a call. The time I was on mute, I was talking to him. I sent him the link. Our CEO, guys, I sent him the link. I'm sure when we come to work, he'll say, what was all that about? Bad publicity.
Yeah.
Bad publicity.
He did not know about this one. Yeah. No, guys, love you guys so much.
Yeah, and we're out, guys. Cheers.
Cheers, guys. Bye-bye.